Here's a short video tutorial on how to operate our Justagame Admin ticket scanner app. So a couple keys before we get started on game day: make sure that your devices are fully charged, your cell phones or iPads as the scanners, and then also the credit card readers to accept in-person credit card charges. So going on to the app, we have our username and password. Please get your credentials from your event administrator. Once you log into the app, you're then going to select the service that you're going to be working, either the concession stand or the tickets. We select on tickets, then we receive a list of upcoming events for ticketing for our client. Once we click into the event, we should be ready to start scanning right away. So it'll activate on your first activation. It may ask you to approve it camera permissions. We do need that in order to scan QR codes. After the first time, it should be set. So once you select your event, we are in and ready to start scanning tickets. Now I'll show you what a QR code looks like. So all guests will be coming with QR codes on their cell phones. Next, all you have to do is scan that QR code with your scanning device, and your device will return a result. All results will have a sound, a color, and a quantity. So it will have a successful ding or a failure sound, and then it'll always have a color and a quantity with it. So this very first one is 1 adult. All we have to do is put the QR code in the bottom of that camera and it will ding 1 adult. We also have the ability to do multiple redemptions with one scan. So when users purchase their tickets, they also receive a ticket confirmation email that looks similar to this. So it says, how is your party arriving to the event? We're all arriving together, or we're arriving at different times. If they click on we're all arriving together, then they can redeem all of their tickets in one scan. So this next scan is going to show you that we've got 2 students and 2 adults remaining on this ticket. And it's going to split the screen in 2, and it's going to say 2 adults and 2 students. This scan can allow 4 people to go through with one scan. We do also have a couple custom tickets for conference passes, season passes, and comp tickets. I won't go through every single color, but it's very important that you listen to that successful ding and look for the quantity. So the Classic 8 here has a conference pass that will always admit 2. So that dark blue Classic 8 admits 2 will have that successful ding on there. If a person tries to screenshot and they try to get in on duplicate tickets, you will get a red X with an error sound, and it'll say this is a duplicate ticket. Those people should not be allowed to enter the event. A couple troubleshooting things. Let's say your guest comes up and they know they bought tickets, but they cannot find their ticket link. We have a couple useful tabs up here on the top. Order lookup. This allows you to look up every single order on that specific event. Let me get to a different event that I know I have some I can redeem on. So once we click on order lookup, then you can see all orders for that specific event. You can use the email or name searching here if you want to adjust and search for that specific order. Once you select on that specific order, then you can see the available tickets. So you can manually redeem one by one here, or you can click on that red redeem all tickets button at the bottom. So this allows you to redeem the client's tickets without them having access to their QR code. The only other page on this entire application is the Stats app. So once you click into any event, you can click on the Stats app and you can see a running total of all of the scans in the attendance in the event. So column 1 is tickets sold, column 2 is tickets redeemed, column 3 is tickets remaining. Remaining means who has purchased tickets or who has tickets that has not shown up to the event yet. You can always click on refresh at any time to get a real live up-to-date. Next, we'll talk about accepting credit cards in person through the terminal. So at the bottom, once you get into the event, it's the same exact app. Inside the same exact event window, you can see the gray connect to Bluetooth card reader button. I'm going to click on that. Now I'm in the discovery mode on the app. Next, on the side of the card reader, all you have to do is hold the power button for 2 seconds. You should see lights up top, and you'll also hear some audio sounds. Now it says found reader connecting, and the reader is connected. Now we're back to the scan window. So this device can be used to scan pre-sold tickets as normal. And then when someone shows up without tickets and they need to purchase via credit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay, I can click on the green create a new charge button. This brings up the available ticket options for that specific event. I can add a couple tickets and click on the checkout button. Now I can present the card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, to the card reader. It'll take 3 to 5 seconds to process this transaction. It should give me a green success payment complete, and now those patrons are ready to enter the event. You do not need to receive an email and scan tickets for tickets purchased directly into the terminal. Those guests can go directly into the event. That concludes the tutorial. Let me know with any questions. Thanks.